Dear students, Jai Hind. Take some questions of exercise 10.3 straight line. Question number 10. Find the equation of line passing through -3, 5 and perpendicular on the line through 2, 5 and -3, 6. There are 2 points, -3 and 6. 2, 5 -3 and 6. There is another point, -3, 5. -3, 5. You are required to find equation of line passing through -3, 5 and perpendicular on the line joining -3, 6. Point will be below. -3, 6. This is -3, 5. You are required to find equation of this line segment. This is line AB. This is P. This is M. You are required to find equation of PM. Rough sketch only, not actual plotting. Find equation of the line passing through -3 and 5 perpendicular on the line through 2, 5 and -3, 6. This is your rough sketch. Since PM is perpendicular to AB, therefore slope of PM will be -1 upon slope of AB. Proceed. Let A -3, 6 B 2, 5 P -3, 5 PM perpendicular on AB. We are required to find equation of PM. In finding equation of PM, passing point P is given. If slope also determined anyway, then equation will be written. Now, since PM perpendicular on AB, therefore slope of PM is equal to minus times 1 upon slope of AB. Now slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Two passing points are given. Is equal to what? 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 upon minus 3 minus 2. Many times I instructed you, you can take any point as x1, y1, any point as x2, y2. Here I have taken this as x2, y2, this as x1, y2. Because if we take this as x2, y2, y2 is greater than y1. To make numerator positive, I have taken this as x2, y2. Is equal to 1 upon minus 5. This is slope of AB. This implies slope of PM is equal to minus times 1 upon slope of AB, that is minus 1 upon 5. Is equal to minus minus become plus, 1 upon 5 become 5. So this is slope of PM. Now using y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, equation of Pm is equal to y minus passing point minus 3 is equal to m, that is 5 x minus x1, that is minus 5. This implies y plus 3 is equal to y minus 5, y1 is 5, not minus 3. Y minus 5 is equal to m, that is 5x minus minus become plus 3. X minus minus 3, that is plus 3. This implies y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15. This implies 5x minus y is equal to 5x plus 20 in slope form. In general form, it can be written as 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. This is your required equation. Thank you. Now, consider next question. Question number 13. Find the equation of line passing through the point 2, 2. Find equation of line passing through 2, 2. And cutting off intercepts on axis, and cutting off intercepts on axis whose sum is 9. Now this question arises from intercept form, and as you know, intercept form of equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. So therefore, let equation of line be x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1, where a is x intercept, b is y intercept. Then, according to question, this line passes through 2, 2. So therefore, 2, 2 satisfies this equation. Therefore, 2 by a plus 2 by b is equal to 1. Equation 1. Also, a plus b is equal to 9. Sum of intercepts is given 9. This implies b is equal to 9 minus a. Equation 2. Put the value of b in 1. 2 by a plus 2 by 9 minus a is equal to 1. This implies 18 minus 2a plus 2a, 18 minus 2a plus 2a divided by 9a minus a square is equal to 1. This implies 18 is equal to 9a minus a square, implies a square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. This implies a minus 6, a minus 3 equal to 0. You will factorize or use Sridhar Acharya rule. This implies a is equal to 3 or 6. If a is equal to 3, then b is equal to 6. 9 minus 8. If a is equal to 6, then b is equal to 3. Therefore, equation of lines will be x by 3 plus y by 6 equal to 1, or x by 6 plus y by 3 equal to 1. There are two equations possible. Because if you put here 2 by 3 plus 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. 2 by 3, 1 by 3 become 3 by 3, that is 1. 2 by 6, 2 by 3. Again 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 become 1. So there are two equations are possible. You can leave your answer here. Or if you want to expand more, write in general form, then your equations will be 6x plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0, or 3x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. There are two equations possible. Thank you.